The hotels, etc. premium membership area. What we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly how to use our local deals, how to obtain the discount, and what you'll receive when you decide to join our premium membership. So once you click on travel deals, you're going to arrive to our new system. Over here to the left, you'll see a bunch of categories: automotive, dining, food, entertainment, golf, health, beauty, home and garden, services, shopping, and ski and snowboarding. At the top, you have local, online travel, and even additional discounts like grocery coupons or get our mobile app. We also have a savings calculator that you can use just so you can see how much money you're saving with our program. Here's some of the companies that do offer discounts within the platform. You see Subway, Mako, Sherwin-Williams. There's a ton of companies in here and businesses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to dining and food. Now the great news is these discounts follow you. So when you're traveling, you can simply go into your system or download the app and use the app to get the discounts while you're on vacation. And the great news is you don't even need to know the zip code. So let's say if you're going to Orlando, hypothetically speaking, and you want to get a discount on dining and restaurants. You can see here all the restaurants in Orlando that offer you a savings when you visit their restaurant. There's over 159 in Atlanta alone. And then of course, if you want to do health and entertainment recreation, then you have amusement parks, classes, concerts, fun, zoos, outdoor adventures. You can see SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, Disneyland. There's a lot of different attractions here. You can see save $34 off at Legoland. We also have 50% off, buy one get one free, and etc. over here on the left. Now let me explain to you how you redeem this discount. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go to our area, and let's say I want to go to Brucey's and I want to get 6 free wings with the purchase of 6 free wings. If you have not downloaded the app, then you'll have to click here on Redeem Now and print out the coupon and take it into Brucey's when you arrive there. If you have downloaded the app, then you don't need to print anything. All you have to do is bring your phone in, show them the discount, and they're able to scan your app to add that discount to your ticket. If you want to take advantage of the shopping discounts, you can see all the large array of companies that we have inside here for shopping. Tommy Hilfiger, Dress Barn, let's see, Gymboree. You can see there's a bunch of them. Kind of give you an idea of how many discounts are in the system. I'm just going to kind of scroll through these logos here and let you get an idea of all the discount providers that are in the new premium membership area of hotels, etc. You can see there is quite a few of them, and we could continue doing this forever, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all the great discounts that our members gain access to. And they're very easy to use, and it can definitely save you and your family a lot of money. Now I'm going to just show you, I'm going to go a little faster because there's a lot of discounts. So we'll be doing this all day. Every one of these companies are part of the new addition to our membership, our premium membership area. So there's quite a few of them. Now we also have a savings calculator. The savings calculator is going to show you exactly how much money you will save once you become a member of Hotel Etc. Premium membership. How many times you go out to lunch each week? 1. How many times you go out to dinner each week? 1. Let's say a number of times of pizza taken out each month. 1. Let's just put 1 all the way down. You get a haircut once a month. We'll just put 1 all the way down. And of course you will, well, let's see, this is theme parks per year, so we can do 4 on that. So basically, if you do this once each time except the theme park tickets, you're going to save a total of $1,033 a month just with our local discounts. So it's definitely a substantial savings for our members. We're also going to create some other videos to show you how to use the other sections of the Hotels Etc. Premium membership. But this system right here is very easy to use. It saves you a lot of money. And as I mentioned, you could download the app right from the App Store, get mobile, and you just get your app right here, fill in your first name, last name, continue, and it's going to allow you to download the app so you can use it right on the spot. Very quick and easy to use and redeem the discounts. Once again, thank you very much for viewing this video, and we look forward to helping you and your family save money.